Welcome aboard United Airlines Flight 2342 in from Denver. That little town you see over there, I believe, if my geography is correct, is Klamath Falls. If not, we've already passed it. Anyway, we're aboard November 851 Uniform Alpha, an 18-year-old Airbus A319-131 in seat 15 Alpha. We're going to be approaching and landing runway 14 today, and we'll be taxiing to gate 5. I'll be back later on with the taxi instructions. The weather here in Medford is pretty pristine if you ask me. We have calm winds, 10 nautical mile visibility, clear skies, 0 degrees Celsius minus 4 degrees Celsius dew point, which converts to 32 degrees Fahrenheit and 24 degrees Fahrenheit dew point. Anywho, we're about to land right over the downtown of Medford, I believe. Enjoy this landing.
Welcome to Medford. The local time is 9:20. There has been a 1-hour time change. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and other small devices. If you are sitting in the next row, please refrain from plugging your devices into the outlets. Please check your seat back pocket and area around your seat to make sure you have all of your belongings, and be careful when opening overhead bins. On behalf of your Denver-based in-flight crew, we thank you for choosing United this evening. We hope you've had an enjoyable flight with us, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you, and have a great rest of your evening.
Quite a clunker of a landing. At least that's what one of the pilots said to me after a flight back in the history. We're going to be taxiing to gate 5 at Medford today via Alpha 2 Alpha. Pretty simple taxi clearance. It's a small airport. You can't expect much. Anywho, I hope you enjoyed this quick video of a landing in Medford. I'm going to be driving over the pass to Klamath Falls the day after this. The rental car agency did manage to mark up the car price because I'm a newbie driver. I'm from Arizona. We don't drive in snow, so they kind of took advantage of that. I'm not going to say who it was. Not my place to say. Anywho, if you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and hit that subscribe button, because in just a few days, we're going to be blasting right back out of Medford, except I'm going to hit a pretty serious issue that I was not hoping for. Y'all just have to see what that issue is. Can't wait to share it with you. And I'll see you next time.